Take me to the river. Take me to the river. Take me to the river.
Take me to the river.
She thinks I'm Mr. Potato Head. We often find inspiration from the YouTube channel Less Junk, More Journey, and they travel around America in an Airstream. They have a, 4-year-old, and then they just had another baby. They have a classic 31-foot, and they took what usually is a closet, and they made it into a bunk. In theory, we could do the same thing and make ours into a triple bunk right there. We're not sure it's possible. That's one reason why we can meet with Penelope the Airstream and talk about it. We get this kind of wild idea in our head, like, oh, wouldn't it be cool to do that? Like make YouTube videos? And then we just do it. 6 months ago, I was terrified of being on camera. And then Michael just pushed me to try it, and I tried it, and it was pretty awkward and weird, and I didn't like it at all, but I just kept trying and trying. And every time I did it, it got a little easier, and even now, every time I do it, it's a little easier. It's kind of hard, like when I first start, but then like, you know, like right now. Anyway, lately we've just kind of taken the attitude, we get an idea in our head, we think like, oh, wouldn't it be cool to make YouTube videos? Cody Wanner is a vlogger that is kind of on our radar. Sometimes we watch him. Cody Wanner has a mantra, he says, and it's care less, do more. That's become my mantra lately because it's really easy to get caught up in caring like what people think or what you're supposed to be doing. And then you just get kind of paralyzed if you care too much about stuff like that. So if you care less and do more, you're so busy doing stuff that you have to just kind of put the caring in the back of your head, and you don't worry about what other people are thinking or what you should be doing or what comes next or any of that. You just focus on the doing aspect of it all. Like right now, I'm wrangling 2 little kids that are not doing what I want them to be doing at all, but we're still making a video. Oh, Penelope the Airstream wrote back to me on Instagram, and maybe we'll be able to go check out one of their Airstreams this afternoon, so that's awesome. Penelope the Airstream is a channel that focuses on Airstream renovation. They buy old Airstreams and then either gut them or clean them out and refurbish and redo them. Now we're a family of 5, so really the only way we'd be able to fit in an Airstream is if it were customized to fit our family. We would want a triple bunk bed, which obviously the Airstream doesn't make a triple bunk bed, but we could get someone to build it for us. You know, we dream about getting an Airstream one day for our family and traveling across America in an Airstream. So we're interested in meeting with them and just kind of like seeing what they do. We would love to visit different YouTubers along the way on our trip. So I've been thinking about who might be in each city we go to and reaching out to them on Instagram and just saying, hey, we're in the area. Hello? Oh, it's Penelope the Airstream. Oh, you want us to come see an Airstream? Sure. What's the name of this Airstream? What's its name and how did you give it its name?
This is Archimedes. We call him Archie for short. This is a Caravanner. They only made these for a couple of years in the 70s. It's 25 feet. And it was designed as more of a weekender getaway Airstream. It wasn't really designed for families or long trips. It was more of like, we're going to the races, we're going down to Daytona, and we're gonna be partying for the weekend. And so all the bedding and seating areas kind of up front, kind of set up as like a party type camper.
And your plan with this is to fix it up and
Yep.
use it a couple times first?
Hopefully.
Okay,
Fix it up, use it a couple times, and sell it to a loving family or a single person. This would be perfect for a couple or a single person looking to travel, like a traveling nurse or something.
Yes.
Because since it is 25 feet, it'll fit in almost all the national parks.
And does the Argosy have a name too?
The Argosy is Eleanor.
Eleanor. Should we go see Eleanor?
Okay, let me show you Eleanor. So Eleanor needs a bath.
Eleanor needs a bath.
Yeah, Eleanor needs a bath. But this is Eleanor. This is an Argosy. I'm not super skilled on knowing how many years they made these for, but sometime between like 71 and 79 they made these. And Eleanor's 26 feet long, and you should take a peek inside because she's all original, and it's super cool to see one fully intact in original condition. And the guy we bought it from paid $1,000 for this camper.
No way! That's amazing. So this is all original.
Yeah, so to find one in this good of original condition with all the functioning timbre doors, and usually when you find these, this was covered in this guy's stuff. He had floor to ceiling junk in here, kept telling me, I don't want to sell it, I'm going to use it someday, and I'm like, you're not going to use it. And so usually you don't find them with the panels in this good of shape. The fridge works, the stove works. We did do new plumbing and a new water heater in here. But as you can see, it's got this nice layout already. And plenty of space for your bath, plenty of storage.
This could be a
Kids
bunk
seem to love it
area
already.
if you want it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, Linda's right at home. She's ready to move in.
You're all Airstream ready.
Oh, let's get a shot of that toilet just to remember what it is too. This toilet is something that we should remember because it handles poop well.
Good summary. Handles poop well.
It's not stinky. It's not too gross.
It
It's
is
just.
stinky. Smell it.
Now I'm not gonna put my nose in it. I'm just gonna kind of keep my nose over here. And here's the big shower. Oh, and a bath. That's cool.
Yeah.
Do all Airstreams have baths? We've been hoping to connect with some other YouTubers on our trip, and I reached out
No.
to Krista on Instagram, who was kind enough to let us come over and check out the Airstream. Well, we broke the seal on meeting up with another YouTuber while we're out on our journey, so now I'm hoping to find one in every city we go to. If you live in the Southeast US and you want to do a collab, let me know.